name is Steven. I am a student of 청담 평촌, and today I will be talking about my favorite season. A season is when weather changes over time, and there is spring, summer, fall, and winter. I like every season for many different reasons. This is because we can see cherry blossom in spring. Summer is hot but good for swimming. Fall has good weather, and we can play with snow in winter. My favorite season is fall. Here is two reasons to support my opinion. First, fall has very good weather. It is not hot and not cold, so we can do many things outdoors. For example, we can play soccer. When we have a good weather, we don't have a lot of insects and we don't get cold often. This is because there is not a big difference of most high temperature and most low temperature. In addition, children like to play outside, and in fall, weather is great, then there is not a lot of sweat after play. That is good for everyone. Furthermore, we can feel comfortable when weather is good. This is because we get stressed when too hot or too cold. But weather in fall is not hot and not cold. So fall is season that we can feel comfortable and a lot of things to do. Second, we have many things to see in fall. This is because fall is season that leaves change color to red. For example, we can see maple tree in fall. When we see maple tree, we can feel comfortable because maple tree's color is very beautiful, and we can think about it we see maple tree. In addition, it's good for seeing maple tree festival. Furthermore, there is many things to do in maple tree. For example, we can play with maple tree seed and play with leaves. For more information, there are no worries for insects because there are not a lot of insects on fall. In conclusion, my favorite season is fall for the two reasons. First, fall has very good weather. Second, we have many things to see in fall. Thank you for listening my presentation.